File storage. In this video, we will focus on safely storing files. Remember that the goal is safety first and reducing risk. Think about where data may be stored during different parts of the data lifecycle. Are you collecting data on paper survey forms? Or on a laptop? If the data is sensitive personal data, are the forms properly locked away and the laptop encrypted? And then when you analyze your data, where are those files stored? Is sensitive data secure there? And if you are sharing data with a team, is that process secure? Remember that all stages of data and transfer must be secure. Plan this out ahead of time so you always know what data is located where throughout your research process. When storage is needed for personally identifiable data, it is important to consider a number of factors. First, the use of personal cloud storage, such as a personal Google Drive, should be avoided at all costs. Second, keeping personally identifiable data on a portable device such as a laptop or flash drive is not recommended. It should ideally be stored at a secure off-site facility. Another important storage measure to consider is to save multiple copies of your data and disperse them geographically. Have 3 copies of your work on 2 different kinds of storage, where at least 1 copy is off-site. This will protect it from hardware or software failure and even environmental disasters, such as damage from hurricanes. Texas A&M institutional resources for data storage will generally already be backed up and geographically dispersed. Depending on the data you collect, you may be subject to certain laws and policies that prevent you from sharing your data. These are what we call sensitive data. Search TAMU available research resources in any browser to see options and begin a data classification report to identify appropriate storage locations. From a data management perspective, you should document who is responsible for managing stored data at the original site, during the transfer, and at the new storage site. Indicating who authorized users are and standard procedures for data transfer should be documented at the beginning of the project. This video addressed safely storing your research data throughout the data lifecycle. If you want to learn more about good research data practices, check out our other data management videos in this series.